Test your English level with fun challenges. Let's start with jumbled words. Unscramble the word. Chair. Next one. Water. Medium round. Mirror. Unscramble this one. Pillow. Final hard one. Kitchen. Got all 5? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more challenges. Next game, word search. Find the opposite of day. Night. What's the opposite of up? Down. Now, find the opposite of hot. Cold. The opposite of by is sell. Spot the opposite of clean. Dirty. Can you find the opposite of old? Young. Hit subscribe for more exciting videos. Now let's play. What is he called? What is he called? Butcher. What do you call him? Tailor. What is he called? Barber. Who is he? Cobbler. What is he called? Plumber. What is he called? Florist. What is he called? Potter. Who is he? Comment your answer below. Now let's move on to word picture match. Match the correct word with the picture. Match flower and flower with the correct pictures. Now desert versus dessert. Meat versus meat. Match correctly. Choose the correct picture. Match correctly. Principal versus principal. Stationary versus stationary. Now it's time for anagrams. Find a new word from the word shown. Find a new word from God. Dog. Find the anagram of iced. Dice. Anagram of east. Seat. Find the anagram of file. Life. Anagram of care. Race. Find the new word from heart. Earth. Find the anagram of below. Elbow. Anagram of notes. Stone. What is the anagram of shout? South. Find the anagram of Iceman. Cinema. Anagram of softer. Did you find the answer? Share it in the comments. Which challenge did you enjoy the most? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe for more exciting videos.